This 2026 Forest River Salem FSX 174 DBLE is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Albuquerque, New Mexico, 87121 and is offered for sale by Good Sense RV and Motors. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 21 feet 0 inches in length and features a gray-brown interior, sleeps 6, and 39 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.